Facelift incisions. Are there scars all over your face? No, they're not. They're very difficult to see. The best facelift looks like you never had a facelift. So allow me to demonstrate. I'm going to show you a few pictures here. So you can see on the screen, this is Melba. She's in her 70s here. Take a look. Let's see, we're screen sharing. Take a look and see around her ear. She wears her hair very short. Beautiful result. Amazing. Very, very difficult to see that incision location. This is a gentleman, did his lift, neck and jawline. Look how difficult that incision line is to see. This is about a month out. There's a little bit of pink around the incision that fades over time. Beautiful result. Maybe an incision under the chin. Incisions under the chin, we have a skin crease there. A lot of people have a scar under their chin from when they fell when they're younger, but this incision is very difficult to see, fades very nicely. This is 1 year after an image lift. Look how difficult the incision location is to see. Falls in the natural creases of the ear. Again, don't need to grow your hair long to hide the incisions. Even if you don't have any hair at all, they fade very nicely. So you're looking right at facelift incisions, difficult to see, looks very natural. Judy, right in the way she wears her hair, there's this little crease here, but we kind of have a crease there to begin with for many people. A lot of people have a lot of wrinkles in front of their ear just from sun damage and aging changes and the skin pulling down. The facelift incision is actually less noticeable than those skin creases. So difficult to see, hides very nicely, fades over time. And some people don't even, I have patients that tell me, yo, you did not make an incision here. But I did. They just can't see it. So is it really there if you can't see it? The scar is there, but when it fades nicely, that's the purpose. It looks very natural. So facelift incisions, here's Aunt Shirley, her facelift incision. Notice she's got a lot of those creases. They're very conspicuous. But when you see the facelift incision, she did a mini lift. Very difficult to see, and that fades over time. So I thank you for watching. We will make sure your incisions are very difficult to see if you're ready for that. Patients wait for years before they're going to do a lift, and their fear is, oh, I don't want to be cut. These scars. It's like they get this. So we're here to help you do it the right way. Let's put a plan together so you know what's right for you. We know, if we're lucky, aging keeps coming for us. So the aging changes are predictable. And as a center of excellence, I've done over 4,000 facelifts under local anesthesia. Get the hang of it after a few thousand. Most doctors retire after doing 500 or 1,000 facelifts. So there is a difference. Experience matters. Thank you for watching, and let's set up your consultation. Follow us on social media, and we look forward to meeting you soon. See you later.